Hello, everyone. Before we begin, I would like to share that I am not a medical doctor. I'm not a spiritual master or an expert of any kind. I'm just a country pumpkin sharing his theoretical perspective for entertainment purpose only. The topic for entertainment today is human nature. Human nature is what defines us as a person, our genetic coding, our template. It is something that we cannot hide. Just like a chicken, it is what it is. It cannot be a dog because a chicken has a different characteristic, a different kind of programming. It has limited programming. It's not complicated. We can see it, recognize it very easily. Human is the same thing. Without human nature, it let people know what kind of person we are. Our traits, our characteristic, our intention, each of our area actions that we do, let people know our nature, because everything we do, except maybe when you're a little bit more conscious, then you begin to fake it. Meaning, let's say you walk path number two, you want to fake compassion and understanding because that is not within your nature. It is still recognizable because it is an essence, a state of being, an energy that's radiate out. Your action might meet, okay, requirement A, B, C, D. That might fool someone that on path number two or even path number one. But with that acting, there will be flaws. The way you look, the way you move, your energy, a lot of things that will give away just by saying something. Yes, by context, some people can pick up right away, or like me, I require a little bit more information. Some people can just instantly, even without that person opening, saying anything, can pick up the vibe because our nature is a frequency, a coding, a vibe that people can pick up, an energetic imprint. There's a different way of reading it. My way of reading it is through interaction. Other people can read just by looking at your aura, just or the vibe, the feel they get by being within your presence. So it doesn't matter how well you perform with the mask on. You can't fool people with eyes to see. That's with intention. And subconsciously, everything you do define who you are. So when you're not consciously in control and know what you're doing, and someone else just one look, that's it. Your action just betray you without you even realizing it because you don't understand the nature of your being. You don't see how path A, path B, or this or that differentiate because you have only one way of thinking, seeing, where someone can see A, B, C, or totality of everything, but from a different angle, different perspective. It's very easy to see human nature, to see through people intention. and I wish you luck in exploring further on this topic. Thank you.